Another tiny mistake which I've made, obviously, if we click on the remove page, we get a blank page, which is fine. Everything works. If we click on an add new product, we link in properly as well to the add products page. But if we click on edit, as you can see, we have edit, then semicolon ID equals 19, which obviously is wrong. So if we go back to our list.php before we finish with this file, as you can see, edit has only semicolon. Perhaps you put it correctly and you've got ampersand there, but you should be basically and AMP and semicolon. And now if we save the file, we go back to products, click on edit, we are redirected to the edit page, which is cool. Okay, so now we can close our list.php, open a browser and open add.php file, as this is the page we're going to be working on in this video, basically creating the page for adding new products. So as usual, let's start with the opening PHP tag, require once, and we go for template underscore header.php, copy the entire thing, and obviously we also need to require footer.php. Now we are going to put the heading h1 products colon or 2 colons, basically add, so that we know within which section we are currently. Now we're going to start with the form. So we have form, action, left blank, method, post this time, enc type, and this is going to be multi-part form hyphen data. Now, why do we need to use enc type? Enc type is used whenever you're uploading any files, and this form will have one upload field for the image of the product, basically. So remember about this. Without this property, you won't be able to upload any files to the server. Then we go for the table. As usual, cell padding, null, cell spacing, same thing, border as well. And we're going to use a class table insert. Okay, we start with the first table row. Inside of this table row, we'll have a heading th with the label for category. And in between the label tags, we type category, colon, and then star symbol, which basically means that this is the mandatory field. Then we have td, table cell, and we'll have select, name category, ID category as well. We also need a class, sorry, at the end, class will be SEL. And in between the select tags, we're gonna do option, value, null, and select one, and help, which is basically generating 3 dots. We'll leave it like this for now. We're going to populate the list of categories from a database a little bit later on, and basically display all these options here. Now we go for the next table row. We're going to have th will be with the label for name, and we simply have a name colon, and it's also required, so again, white character, which is a star symbol. Okay, then we go for the td, and we do input type text, name, and ID, name as well. Then we have value, left blank, class FLD, / and closing the tag. After the name, we'll have a description. So let's create, actually, do you know what? I'm going to create extra new lines here as well. Okay, TR, we have TH with the label for description, and it's going to be description colon and star. Then we have TD, and here we're going to have text area with the name description, ID description, calls, left blank, rows, left blank. On the new line, we put class TAR fixed. And after this, we close the text area tag. Okay, the next one will be for the price, field for the price. So you have TR, TH, label for price colon star td. Inside of td we have input, type text, name price, id price, we have value left blank, class fld price / and closing the tag. If we move it like this so that we can see it a bit better. Okay, and our last field will be for the image, so tr first obviously, then we have th, which will have non-breakable space, and td we have sorry, it's not going to be non-breakable space, wrong, label for image isn't required, so we can leave it like this. Then we have input tag in the table cell, type file, name image, id image, and size, let's make it 30. Then / and closing tag. And now the last table row with the submit button, so tr, and we start with th. Now we're going to have non-breakable space, and table cell with the label for btn class sbm space sbm underscore blue. Then we have fl underscore l, and between a label input type submit, id btn class btn value at, and then / and closing the tag. And that's everything in this video. Let's move to the next one and start working with this form.